Hi, WordPress users. Do you want to use Ninja tables for your WordPress site? Then, you need to know some important features of this plugin. Ninja Tables Pro comes with a big bucket of elegant, intuitive, advanced features. For your information, you can use Ninja Tables free plugin from WordPress directory. In this tutorial, we are going to create table manually through Ninja Tables Pro plugin. To create a table, go to your WordPress dashboard, then navigate to Ninja Tables sidebar menu. If you don't know how to install, you can see the video description for installation tutorial. Now, click Create Your First Table button, and enter the table title and description and click Add button. Next, you need to add columns in your table. Write column name and choose required data types. Now, click Add Data button and add column data in the following input box. You can add data by clicking the plus button and fill your table data. If you want to continue fill your data without interruption, check below mentioned Continue Adding. That's it. You have successfully created Ninja tables. Let's preview it. If you want to publish table, copy table shortcode and paste into the WordPress post or page. Your table is live. So, thank you so much for watching this video. We will see you in the next Ninja Tables tutorial. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel to get upcoming update on Ninja Table tutorials and technical videos.